Hi, I am Dr. Prashant Acharya, Medical Director, Earth Ayurveda, Indiranagar, Bangalore. Well, diabetic neuropathy. Nowadays we hear this very commonly because diabetes is the fastest growing lifestyle disorders in the world today. Then what is diabetic neuropathy? How is it apart from diabetes? Diabetic neuropathy is one of the first and foremost complication of uncontrolled diabetes. What is neuropathy then? Neuropathy, in simpler words, if at all I need to tell, it's cry of the dying nerves. What does it mean? When the blood sugar keeps on fluctuating and generally kept on the higher side, in common terms I can say that it suffocates the peripheral nerves. Peripheral nerves are the nerves which supplies the palms and the soles. Once it suffocates, it can result in burning sensation, tingling sensation, a sort of a dull, naggy pain, weakness, and sometimes severe. Whenever it goes on quite severe, it can extend other than palm and soles also. It can come to any of the surfaces of the skin like thigh, shin, calf muscles, hand, arm, rarely even the abdomen and chest also in extreme cases. But how do you analyze, how do you know when the diabetic neuropathy has already occurred? Two ways: when you get any of these symptoms, or you can always even get your blood sugar done, or 60 days or 90 days average, what they call it as HbA1c. You get it done. If it is more than about 7.6, 7.8 sort of a thing, or sometimes we see up to 11, 12 also. But anything above 7.6, you can be sure that you are already on the way. Some people even think that, or present with the symptom, that while walking, they find it very difficult to hold their slipper or a footwear. Then you should certainly think that neuropathy is setting in. Well, what is to be done at that junction? Simple, approach your doctor. Yes, Ayurveda has great results in the medical industry. Why? In any other symptoms of medicine, either they give a good strong B complex or a neural stimulation and many other minor therapies, but no clear cut proven therapy for diabetic neuropathy. Well, if you ask me, does Ayurveda has a specific therapy mentioned in the text? Yes, a sort of. We can handle it. Very simple method. 1, by first lifestyle correction. 2, some of the herbs and herbomineral preparations to control the diabetes first. And then once diabetes is under control, as we say in Ayurveda, nidana parivarjanameva chikitsa, that is controlling the causative factor itself is treatment, first level. Then we'll go to the panchakarma chikitsa or panchakarma treatment. 1, with a particular udvartana with a particular powder, a massage with a particular powder, and the main thing to stimulate the nerves again is Madhu Tailika Basti. Madhu Tailika Basti. Madhu means madhu, that is honey, and Taila means a particular variety of oil, plus A, B, C, D, E herbs. There are quite herbs made into a preparation given through the rectal route as an enema, but enema would be a wrong term to tell. It is basti, we call it as, because it is medication through the rectal route but not an enema. Depending on the intensity of the treatment and the severity of the problem, we decide number of days as 7, 14, 21, 28 or sometimes even up to 42 days. Sometimes if it is very chronic, we might repeat it probably in a year 3 times of 28 days each. And as on now, in my statistics, not even a single person has shown comparatively less result also. Yes, there is one chance of failure for this disease, treatment, which is after controlling the blood sugar and after we are parallelly doing the treatment, you don't follow the diet medicine, and certainly you will land up in fluctuation of your blood sugar levels. Otherwise, yes, we can assure you, we can literally give extremely good results for this treatment. Thank you.